What's good, everyone? Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Uh, if you're an online marketer or an affiliate marketer and you're struggling to find the right opportunity that's mid-ticket to high-ticket commissions, well, this video is for you. Today we're going to be going over this just a review, as well as I'll be showing you some strategies that you can use and what I use to market this particular opportunity, and can help you on your marketing journey. And today we're talking about Easy One Up. Now, what is Easy One Up? Well, this particular opportunity is training that we have in the back office. It's some training, and you can see at different levels it has so many marketing strategies and tutorials that gives you a blueprint on how to market in different ways that you can strategize to use it. And it has many ways, like as far as if you want to do YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram, and all over the social media. And you can use these strategies to perform into your daily operations to get leads and to possibly get sales. So here with Easy One Up, I'm going to show you, this is pretty much the page right here to get started. And you can see right here, it tells you a little bit about Easy One Up. It helps entrepreneurs how to one up their competition by continuing to learn and develop new strategies. So we have done and put 6 different courses that are already made as an impact for people around the world. These courses offer many hours of training to keep up to date with some of the latest trends in the market. So you see these different packages that you can use. Now, I'm going to go over which each one and how much each one costs to get started. Right here, pretty much in the back office, I'm going to show you. And these are the product packages right here. You have the Elevation, which is $100, which is $25. Elevation Elite is $100. The Vertex is $250. The Vertex Elite is $500. The Vertex Pro is $1,000, and the Vertex Live is $2,000 to get started. So with each product package, you must be at that particular level in order to receive the other commissions that's under that level. So for instance, if you come in at the $500 level, you can only collect the $250, the $100, and the $50, the $25 level rather, and so forth. So you must be at that product level in order to resell, have a resell license for that. So each product package pretty much has a certain amount of training in each one. So the higher you go into that product, you have to pay for that. So I believe each level has an admin fee that you have to pay as well. So 25, I believe you pay a $25 admin. If you at 100, I think you also pay a $25. I think once you get to like the higher levels, I think you pay $100 in the admin fee, and so forth. But it's all in the back office. But if you want something that's easier to get into, this will be a great opportunity for you guys to get started, especially for newbie, where you could be able to get that type of training here in the back office. So in case if you're not able to get in the higher ticket, you can start off with the $25 elite level. And I do recommend that you get into the highest so you can be able to earn those high commissions. But if you cannot, and you can start at the lower levels, you can go ahead and start at them lower levels. So like I said before, Easy One Up gives you a lot of marketing tips, marketing products that they have and that they're going to sell to you guys. and you could be able to resell those, and you can be able to use that with your daily marketing operations. So, as you know, with Easy One Up, now it's a way to market Easy One Up because their way of, should I say, way of resources that they have is a little outdated, and they do have some capture pages that you can use. I'm gonna show you back here. They have lead capture pages in a marketing hub. Let me see. No. I gotta go back. Excuse me, guys. I have to because I was unlogged for a while. So you have to. Okay. So I'm gonna go to the marketing hub, and I'm gonna get you some, so I can show you some in the back office of what you can use. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna show you an example. So this is the elevation. You can see they got different. You see these different types of products that you can look to get training. You get tons of training, and that's something that you want to, use it. Take advantage of in the training. So you can see in the dashboard. It's a little video that plays because this has Easy One Up. They got some updates that you can check out in that video. This is the the sales page. These are lead capture pages that you can use to market. But like I said before, it's a little outdated. So one of the strategies that I do use in a marketing system that I use to help promote Easy One Up is my capture page. And this is my capture page right here. And this is a sales done for you system that has many businesses, many primary businesses inside. And I will show you in later videos what different capture pages you can use for different primary businesses. And you can use this to market Easy One Up. And I'm going to show you the capture page that Easy One Up uses to market this. So here, this is Easy One Up capture page, and it shows you like the webinars. It shows you, everything about Easy One Up. You see, it shows you the different product packages right here with the elevation for 25. You see that, and it shows you everything that you get inside. So this is very, very useful when you're trying to market Easy One Up, and this can help you brand yourself to stand out from the rest. So you got that. You can take advantage of this, and then you can have your own website created for you because they'll create this for you. And you can be able to promote for any social media platforms, and you can show you who referred you, and you have this very, very, very useful platform you can use to market Easy One Up. So if you want to be able to have that platform, the link in the description will be below. Also, if you want the direct page for this, opportunity to go and get started with me, that link will also be in the link in the description below. I do have a YouTube video that you can check out to go deeper detail about it. You can get started with me today. Make sure also, if you think this video is helpful to you guys, make sure you give a like, comment, and hit that like and subscribe button. And also hit that notification bell for upcoming tips and tricks and videos that I may have for you guys to help you out on your marketing journey. You can also reach me on Facebook. That link will be in the description below as well. Make sure that you contact me and check out other offers that I do have for you guys. I get on, the chat daily, post a video for you guys all, daily. So you can make sure that you, like and subscribe once again. Okay, this is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video. Peace.